everyone, Har this side. Welcome to the Money's Compass. Today we discuss about notes, band and hitches. This is the most important topic for the deck side. तो चलिए इसका जनरल आइडिया देखते हैं. First of all, the knots. Knots means this is a single rope and tie itself. This is the knots. Bands means this is the, suppose this is the two rope. This is the one rope and this is the another rope. Actually, I don't have the another rope. That's why right now I don't have the another rope. That's why I'm using a one rope. Here one rope, this is another rope and tied together. This is the bands. And hitches. Hitches means any of fixed thing. General idea. Suppose this is the bar and tie here. Tie here. This is the hitches. Not when hitches. Not means the tie is the anyway anything. Not this is the proper manner how to tie and which knots and which bands or which hitches you here use. So today we will learn about the knots, band, hitches and how to use. In this video to learn about the knots, a band and hitches is I will provide second part. So before go ahead, please like and subscribe the Mariner's Compass. ये सारे नोट्स के लिस्ट हैं, ये हम एक एक करके इसमें सीखते हैं और सिप में हम इसका कैसे यूज करते हैं इसके बारे में.
First discuss about the overhand knots. This knots is very important. Look at this video. First make a loop like a structure and one end of the rope and pass through the loops. This knots is completed. This knots is very simple. Usage as overhand knots. First prevent the rope unreeving. Second one during a safety knots for footholds during the climbing. Second figure of 8 knots. Pass the tail over itself to form a loop like a structure. Look at this video and continue under and around the stand end. Complete these knots. This knots is also simple. Usage of figure of 8 knots. First of all, unreeving. Unreeving is also used here, and this knots is very easy to making a very quick. And lacing also, lacing, rescue, boating. Let's discuss about the reef knots and also called a square knot. Look at this video. Cross the one end of rope and other end. Look at this again. Usage of reef knots. Two ropes tying together approx equal size. Ship sang. Look at this video. First make a two opposite facing. Look at this. Bites with the rope. Look at this. Loop of downside means right hand side. Pass through the bite and here fix it and making another loop with the same right end. Look at this. Same process. See again. Completed. And look at this. This is ship sang. Let's talk about the usage of ship sang for securing the load. And second one, the basically use protect damage weaken ferry ropes. मीन्स दैट अगर बीच में कहीं कटा होता है तो अगर हम ऐसे अगर इस नोट्स को करेंगे तो जितना भी लोड होगा वो पास कर देगा. Bow line. Bowline is most famous knots. Look at this video. Pass the tag end through the loop and one end of the rope pass through behind the standing part through the loop. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this carefully. Here hold the loop. Look at this. Look at this. Here look at this. Look at this. Here hold the loop. This is completed bowline. You can pause the video and also see bowline. Usage of bowline. It is the most common knots used to secure a having line to the edge of mooring rope when the running a line or shore. Running bowline. First make a loop. Look at this. Make a loop with a tag end of a rope. Look at this carefully. Wrap it around a stand-up part. Pass it. Look at this. Through the loop. Look at this. Through the loop. Wrap around curved a standing part. Look at this. Pass through loop again. Look at this. Pass through loop again. And here hold and pull the end of tighten. Look at this. Hold and pull the end of tighten. Look at this. This knot is completed. Here fix hand. Look at this. Completed. Let's talk about usage. It's allow to lowering and raising heavy object. Another usage, when you boating, that time use boating, and anything the hanging a tree like a swing, that time also use. Bowline bite. First look at this. Form a loop. Passing one end. Look at this. Look at this carefully. By passing one end of bite over a standing part, pull out through. Look at this again the same process. Look at this carefully. Pull throughout, loop does form, and open up bite and bring around the entire knots. Continue to bring it up till almost completed. Hold the standing part and pull the loop. Completed. Usage of bowline on the bite. First, easy to tie and most common use, seat of hosting purpose to making emergency a Bosen chair.
Thank you for watching. For more information regarding Merchant Navy and Merchant Navy news, please subscribe the Mariner's Compass.